In this video, you'll learn how to sync Google Calendar to Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully connected your Google Calendar events to your Notion workspace, allowing for seamless organization of your schedules. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, either open an existing calendar database or create a new one. To create a new page button, then select Database and choose Calendar. Ensure that your calendar database contains a proper date property, as this is essential for syncing events accurately. Decide which events you would like to sync from Google Calendar and confirm that you have editing access to the database. This preparation is crucial for establishing a successful connection. Next, open an automation platform such as Zapier. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. Once logged in, select Make a Zap to start creating your automation workflow. For the trigger, search for and select Google Calendar. You will be prompted to choose a specific trigger event, such as New Event, which will initiate the sync process. After selecting the trigger, you will need to connect your Google Calendar account securely. Follow the prompts to authorize access and ensure that your calendar is linked correctly. After connecting Google Calendar, you will need to set Notion as the action in your workflow. Search for and select Notion from the list of available applications. You will then be prompted to choose an action event, like create database item, connect your Notion account by following the authorization steps. Once both accounts are connected, map the relevant event fields from Google Calendar to your Notion database. Ensure that the date and any other important information are linked correctly to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've mapped the fields, it is time to test the sync. Go to your Google Calendar and create a test event. Make sure to include relevant details such as the title and date. After saving the event, return to Notion and check your calendar database to confirm that the event appears. If the event does not show up, you may need to adjust your automation settings or review the field mappings to ensure everything is correct. Once you see the event in Notion, activate the workflow permanently to keep the sync ongoing. It is also advisable to monitor the connection regularly for any errors or issues that may arise. You've now successfully completed the tutorial on syncing Google Calendar to Notion. This integration will help you manage your events more efficiently within Notion. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.